Today is September 12th, 2018. I do apologize for the background noise. We're having quite the rainstorm today. Today is going to be something fun and very, very different. I am doing a product review for a website company called New Frog. And they contacted me and asked if I would be willing to try out one of their diamond paintings and to give them a review. So let's get started. I'm going to switch to my overhead. And you can see I have the New Frog logo up there in the top right corner. And there will be a link below that will take you right to the website and right to their category for diamond painting. And we can switch over to their website right now and take a look. Okay, they do have a lot of beautiful patterns that I have not seen in other websites. This is very similar to AliExpress. They carry just about everything you could possibly want, but I am particularly looking at their diamond paintings today. They have a lot of beautiful designs, and the one that we're going to be looking at today, which just came in the mail about an hour ago, is this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful peacock, as you can see right here. So I'm very excited to get started with this, and I'm very excited to get it finished and get it hung up in my wall, on my wall. This would look great anywhere in your home that you would like to hang a painting. It's going to be glittery and the colors are going to be intense, and it's just going to be a beautiful, beautiful painting when we are done with it. So we can zoom in and you can see some details there. It's on the smaller scale, and for those of you that are new to diamond painting, the larger the painting is, the more detail you will get and the less fuzziness around the edges you'll get. But this is pretty much an all-over pattern, and the colors are deep and rich, so I really don't expect any fuzziness at all. Okay, so we can go back to their category. Now, I am viewing 120 items per page, and as you can see, they have tons and tons and tons of patterns. They are about equal, maybe a little bit better than some of the designs that you'll find on AliExpress. As far as pricing goes, they are, like I said, they have a lot of really great patterns that I haven't seen elsewhere. Now the one right here with the cabin, that just rings my bell, because you know me and my my farm life. They have multiple panel patterns that you can choose from. Just gorgeous stuff, some bright, bright colors. I love this kitty cat. I think he's awesome. There's lots of owls. Just some really, really beautiful paintings that would look good just about anywhere you want to hang them. So I won't bore you with shopping. In the description box down below, check out this little hedgehog dandelion. I love that. I think that's so cool. And I love these rainbow colored paintings. Down below in the description there will be a link to my affiliate link for New Frog, so pop on over there and check them out. It'll take you right to the diamond painting, and if you're looking for anything else, just search for it in the search bar at the top and you should find whatever it is that you're looking for. Okay, so I'm going to switch to my overhead, and we're going to get straight to the package. It came in a plastic envelope. Now, all companies are different. Some will put them in boxes, some will put them in tubes, and other companies, it depends on the size of the painting. I ordered a 30 by 30, which is, in the diamond painting world, relatively small. It is centimeters, not inches. So it is going to be small, so maybe that's why. Maybe if you order a larger one, then they will send it in a tube or a box. But let's get this thing opened. When you're opening these things, being that you're going to be working with a canvas, you just want to take your time snipping through the package just to make sure you don't accidentally cut anything, because that would really make you sad. Okay, so we have another inside package. This is a pretty envelope, nice and pearl. Nice and pearl colored. Might be able to cut that down and use it in a journal of some sort. So that's a nice little bag. Okay. So here we have the canvas. It is a touch wrinkled, but that's fine. It'll be fine. And again, it is on the smaller scale, so the detail won't be quite as much, but I still think it's going to be a pretty canvas nonetheless. And you can see here, we'll zoom in, and you can see that the symbols are nice and clear, and they have the color charts on both sides of the canvas, which is a very nice feature. They give you a thumbnail of what it should look like. And again, if you're using, if you have a larger canvas, then chances are it's going to be much more detail. But from a distance, you know, this would be great in like a bathroom or a bedroom or a small guest room. It'll give you a lot of nice color, a pop of beautiful purples and blues. Okay. And usually by lifting the plastic cover and smoothing it back down, you can usually get the wrinkles out. But I don't see any bubbles in the canvas. The way this is done is this is printed on a canvas, and then it goes through a machine that adds double-sided tape to the diamond painting area of your canvas. And sometimes that can lift from the canvas if it's not handled properly in shipping, but I don't see any bubbles. I don't recommend touching the canvas. This is the standard toolkit that you get with any diamond painting kit. Let me get in there and show you what it includes. It has this little drill pen, and it has a little boat for your beads, they call them diamonds, they call them drills, they call them beads. So there's your little boat for that. And this is the wax. It has a plastic cover on it. And this is the pen, and I'll give you a close-up of it. Okay. And the way this works is you peel the plastic back and you insert the pen into the wax to load it. Okay. And if you have a little extra, you can just put it in the trash. And now you will see that this cap has wax in it. See? And that wax is what sticks to the top of the diamonds so that you can place them on the canvas. So we're going to put this aside, and we will open up the diamonds and do a quick inventory. Okay, now according to the chart, there should be 20 colors in here. And we do have 20 envelopes. They're all numbered. So this 20 here, let me zoom in a wee bit for you. This 20 here will match this number here, and that would be the Z diamond, or the Z on the chart. Let's see if we can find some Z's. Ah, yeah. Here's some Z's right up here. There you go. And also what I have underneath here is a excuse me, is a light screen, and it does really help if your room is dark especially. It has 3 levels of light, and it just helps to light up those those symbols on the canvas so you can see what you're doing. These diamonds are round. They do sell them square as well. There's lots and lots of pretty colors here. I am enjoying looking at them. And let's see, and they do match. If you buy a whole bunch of these things at the same time, or if you have a bunch of China mail coming in on a regular basis, you can separate the diamonds and the canvas if you want to store them separately. The bags of diamonds are marked with Y025, which is the canvas number right up here. So you don't have to worry about not knowing which canvas these diamonds go to. So if they are being stored in these little cellophane packs that you can't open and then reclose, you can put them in some kind of little storage system like I have here. Now I have 20 colors, so this should be enough. This should be more than enough. I got these on Amazon, but I bet you New Frog would have them as well. And I think that these are originally for nail art. I will zoom out so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. So I have a package of 4 of these in here. I only need 1 for this canvas. And we do have some labels on here as well. That way you can just peel them off and reuse them. So what I'll do is I will write the numbers 1 through 20 on here, and we can get the beads in these little containers. Okay. I'll do a couple of these just so you can see, get the idea. There are a few confettis in here. There are a few colors that really don't belong in this package. So we can get those out. And if you find that there is a lot of static in your packages or in your little boxes, you can put a piece of a dryer sheet in there. Okay, so that's number 1. Looking for my pen. There it is. Okay, so we'll put a 0, 1. And just put that right there. And you can leave these tags on here and just keep reusing them for other kits that don't use the DMC colors. And you'll have to pick out the little rogue colors that don't belong in here, but that's fine. So this is number 2. It's a pretty purple. Okay, did I get them all? Yep. Okay, this is number 2. Number 3 is a darker purple. Okay, got them all. It's just a good idea also just to do a quick inventory on your diamonds before you get started. This way you're not left hanging if you're missing diamonds. You can contact the company and they can send out replacements. we have some thunder in the background. My apologies. It's a horrible day out here. It's really coming down. Okay, so there are the first 4. I have put all of the diamonds in their individual cases. In the instance of number 9, it had too many to fit in one, so I just took over the second one over here. And I just, moved the rest of them over by ones.